Okay, we're going to start at the front of this Prowler right here. This is going to be your dual propane tanks. It comes with two 20-pound propane tanks. They roughly have about 4.5 gallons apiece. You have your dual purpose regulator. As you see, it's lit up in green right now, showing that there is propane in the system. Once you use this system, you'll turn on both your propane tanks. As you can actually see, there's an arrow facing to this one right here. This is going to be your primary propane tank. Once it runs out, the green area in this regulator is going to actually turn red. And with both of these tanks being on, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and feed out of the other one until you manually come out here and switch it over. Then you'll be able to unhook this one and go get it filled up without having to turn off your propane system whatsoever. Right here, what you have is your 12-volt battery with the battery box and the carrier. Okay, this is going to be your off-door side, or normally be your driver's side. Right down here is going to be one of your. This is going to be your front manual stabilizer jack. You actually have 4 of them on this RV. Next, what we're going to go to is this is going to be one of your front cargo compartments. You got the back side of your furnace. City water. This is your freshwater fuel tank. This is your water heater. Refrigerator access. That's going to be for your exhaust fan over your oven and stove. This is going to be your power cord and power. This is going to be an outside cable or satellite plug. Go down here. This is going to be your dump tanks. This is going to be your whole dump station. Black water's on the left. Your gray tank is on the right. You got your rear stabilizer jack. Hot and cold water low point drains. This is your complimentary 10-foot sewer hose. It is in your back bumper with caps. Here's your other stabilizer jack, your rear stabilizer jack. Another cargo compartment. Have your awning. Outside electricity. Front door holder. Front stabilizer jack. Front cargo compartment. Yeah. This is going to be on the inside right here at your front door. You got 2 light switches. The first one right where my finger is right now, turning on and off, that's going to be your overhead lights. The next one right here that I turn on and off is going to be for your outside porch light. This is your front bedroom. As you can see right here by my hand is going to be your overhead light switch for your bedroom. You got bedroom curtain, emergency window, crank antenna handle, space for a TV on the inside. You got a coax connection on the left, plug-in on your right. You have a front reading lamp. It's manual and all your storage. Your couch right here actually folds into a bed. Pretty simple. Pick up on the front and roll it over. Okay, this is your kitchen area. You got your overhead cabinets. You got an underneath light that is a manual light. You got your sink. You got your drawers and a cabinet. You got your stove. You got your overhead stove light and exhaust fan. Regular microwave. your Norcold refrigerator. It's got two functions. It's got an auto function. When you turn it on, leave it on auto. If anything happens, it will automatically switch itself from electric to gas. Or if you know you're going to travel down the road or anything and you want to keep stuff cool, just go ahead and put it on gas. You got your cold settings here. 1 is cold, 5 is going to be your coldest. You got your dining room area. Your dining room actually turns into a bed. You just have to fold your table down in the center. You got overhead cabinets. You got a dining room light right here, which is another manual light. You have your radio system. You got your TV set up right here. You got electric. This is your booster. And your coax connection. You have your furnace thermostat. This is going to be your smoke detector. You got your bunk beds with individual lights. Another cabinet. This right here is going to be your fuse box and also your breaker box. Here's your 110 breaker side, and then here is your 12 volt side. As you can see, it actually has the red LED indicator lights, so if any one of your fuses blows, that little red light will light up. This is going to be your bathroom area. Right here you have your light switches. This is the overhead light switch. This one right here is for your exhaust fan, which is right above the shower. You also have an override button right here if you want to turn your fan off and on. You have your sink, GFI plug-in, and here's your monitoring panel. You got your test lights that tells you where all your tanks are. You got your 12 volt pump right here, and then you got your propane side of your water heater. You got your toilet, which is a front flush. With the front flush toilet, you push it halfway down, it fills up the bowl. You push it all the way down, it's going to flush it. You have your nice RV shower head. It's got the on and off switch up here at the top. You got your regular faucet and bathtub.